At Meritus, we believe the future belongs to innovators. Young minds who can dream big, think creatively, and build solutions that shape our world. Introducing the Meritus AI-Powered Solution, a unique platform designed to empower students to explore the exciting realms of artificial intelligence, robotics, and data science. As a proud silver sponsor of the World Robot Olympiad, Meritus is dedicated to advancing STEM education globally, with solutions tailored to meet the needs of national organizers across diverse markets. Our platform offers a comprehensive introduction to AI and data science, blending theoretical knowledge with practical applications. Hands-on tools and resources, including an AI controller, camera, motors, sensors, and versatile plastic components like gears and connectors. Project inspirations in AI and data science to ignite creativity and innovation among participants. The Future Innovators category is open-ended, encouraging teams to think creatively and develop solutions that showcase their unique ideas. With Meritus, we seamlessly combine the strengths of traditional robotics with the transformative potential of AI. This cutting-edge integration empowers students to explore advanced technologies like machine learning, computer vision, and data-driven projects, paving the way for innovative and impactful creations. At WRO 2024 in Izmir, the spotlight primarily shone zero on traditional robotics, leaving room for greater exploration of AI and data science in the Future Innovator category. These areas are vital for addressing real-world scenarios and driving technological advancements. Meritus bridges this opportunity by offering comprehensive solutions that empower students with the skills and knowledge to excel in AI-driven innovation. Our solution is affordable and accessible, designed to meet the needs of diverse markets, flexible and compliant with WRO's guidelines, ensuring seamless integration for national organizers globally. With Meritus, let's empower students globally to innovate, create, and lead.